So you're looking at the US market from an investor's perspective as usual, particularly the Dow Jones, because we saw the Dow have an increase. They jumped 370 points. And then they are now on track for the third straight week of losses. So what's up with the Dow, Keisha?
So a lot of it ties into what Thea was saying earlier, because given what's happening in the US economy, there's a lot of rate hikes. They keep happening. The rate hikes have an impact on the US exchange rate, because the US is one of the top performing currencies this year, and everybody's buying US dollars to invest it because you're getting a better rate of return. That now means now on the inflationary side, it has the impact now on the stock market, because investors are saying, well, if everything is going up so much, input costs going up for these companies, what are they going to do in terms of profits? And they're panicking and selling the shares. That now is creating this downward pressure in stock prices, and it's been going on for some time. The summer was really good because a lot of people were on vacation, a lot of liquidity left the market, and so the market was trending up higher. But these are 3 weeks we've seen the resumption of that downward trend in stock prices. And, going into Q4 now, the last quarter of the year, we are really watching to see what is the Fed going to do. Can Jerome Powell really take a handle on inflation in the US and bring it lower? Because investors are all waiting to see what will happen. Are we going to see more rate hikes? Because that has implications for companies, and it has implications for our pockets, because what should we then do as investors? Everybody's watching that right now. And because there's so much uncertainty, a lot of investors have gone into cash, which is T-bills, money market instruments, because interest rates have been going up and they're getting better returns on these types of securities. And so they're selling stocks to buy money market securities or treasury bills. And that's what we see happening now. Will it change? We have to see what will happen in terms of, is inflation going to come under control? What's happening with China? Because we see they recently did a new round of lockdowns as well. What's that going to have in terms of impact on the global financial market? So we're waiting to see what that will do in terms of Q4.